This coconut poached fish is tender, creamy, packed with flavor, and takes less than 20 minutes. All you need is fish fillets, coconut milk, fresh garlic, ginger, lemon, and dill. Pat the fish dry and season both sides generously with salt and black pepper. Heat olive oil in a pan and saute crushed garlic and freshly grated ginger until fragrant. Layer lemon slices in the pan and place the fish fillets directly on top. Add coconut milk, fresh dill, a pinch of salt and black pepper. Bring everything to a gentle simmer. Finish with fresh lemon juice, extra dill and a drizzle of chili garlic oil. This might be the easiest fish recipe you will ever make.